Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on CoinStats application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on CoinStats, firstly open your CoinStats application. The home page of CoinStats will appear on the screen. Click on three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings option. Tap on first option, that is language. Select or choose any language you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change language on CoinStats application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.